Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how you can add or link debit card on your PayPal account. So all you have to do is make sure to watch this video till the end. So then let's get started. So first of all, you'll have to log in into your account. Open up your web browser and on the search box type in www.paypal.com. And you can also find the login link on my description box below. After you're logged into your account, on the other page, you'll be directed to the official site or the home page. You can see right on top there are a list of options. So from there, you'll have to tap on the wallet. So as soon as you tap on the wallet, this is what the other interface is going to look like. So then you'll have to tap on link a credit card in the top left corner of your screen. As you tap on link a card, now you have to enter all the information of your card. So the first one is that you have to enter the credit card number and then expiry date, and after that you'll have to enter security code and then a billing address. Once you're done entering all of this information, tap on link card, which is right at the bottom. After you tap on link a card, on the other interface you have all the information, so make sure to review all of your information correctly, and in case if you're sure about the details, tap on save, which is right at the bottom. So you'll also be notified that the card has been added or linked to your PayPal account successfully. So that is how you can add or link a debit card on your PayPal account. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.